Welcome back, travel family. Today I'm sharing cruise packing hacks. You will thank me later. Up on the list is the cruise ship lanyard. This you can put your key card in. Now you're going to need to use your key card for doors, purchasing drinks. If you have a drink package, purchasing anything on the cruise ship, everything is charged directly to your room. So this is definitely a must-have. Another option to the around the neck lanyard is a wrist option, and of course all of these you can get on Amazon. Next up is the foldable laundry bag. It's definitely a must-have. As you can see, it folds out and it's a pretty much a nice size for a single person for a, I would say, up to a 7-night cruise. Okay, so this is definitely a must-have, especially if you're traveling with family. Here is the power strip, non-surge protected. Next is the luggage tag. What I like about these is it has the steel metal band around it. I just put it on my luggage prior to leaving, so I don't wait till I get to the cruise ship. I just pop it on there. It gets through the rough handling of the baggage handlers on the airline. Something that I just discovered from our last trip that I never thought to bring is an umbrella. If you are in the Caribbean, rain is bound to happen, so make sure you pack an umbrella. If you are a family traveling with kids, first aid kit. I've had plenty of instances where I'm on the ship, my kid scrapes something, does something, and they need a band-aid. So purchasing a band-aid on the cruise ship is very much upcharged. Just bring your own first aid kit. Okay, so next up we have our seasick motion sickness patches or peels. Husband has extreme motion sickness. Every single time he gets on the cruise, even in gentle waters, he gets sick. Me on the other hand, okay normally, but when we hit like rocky, really rough waters, of course I get seasick. I normally get a prescription from my doctor. This patch right here, it lasts 3 days. Now I will say it does dehydrate you, so make sure you drink plenty of water. You already know we're in the Caribbean, right? So it's going to be hot. This right here helps for everything. This is a portable fan. You charge it with the USB. It sits right on your neck. Turn it on. You're good to go. Some of you may not like me for this next statement. Don't overpack. Laundry is available, or the next option is to just be selective with your outfit choices prior to leaving. Another tip is to leave the beach towels at home. You do not need them. The cruise ship will provide them for you every single day. Okay, so this tip, I gotta thank my mom for this one. Packing cubes. I have 5 outfits for dinner and beach wear for my 4-day cruise in those packing cubes. To simplify the process, I organize my cubes by day. So day 1, 2, 3, and 4 all have separate cubes. Sometimes I will double up just because if it's a 4-day, so I really don't want to bring 4 cubes. And as you can see, these cubes are pretty huge. Last tip is for port days. You can bring a small crossbody bag or a waterproof pouch. This is mine. My cute little fanny pack. I use it for port days and I also use it for sea days. It's on me when I'm on the ship and when I'm off the ship. If you learned something new from watching this video, leave me a comment. Until next time, bye.